In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Calendar and import it into Google Sheets. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can move your calendar data into a spreadsheet format that's much easier to sort, review, and work with. This can be especially useful if you want to analyze upcoming events, create custom reports, or simply keep a backup in a format that feels more flexible than a calendar view. To begin, open Google Calendar in Chrome. Once your calendar is on screen, look toward the upper right area and click the gear icon to open settings. From that menu, choose Import and Export. This section gives you tools for moving calendar information in and out of Google Calendar, and for this process, we'll be using the Export option. Next, click Export to download your calendar data as file. This file format is commonly used for calendar information and contains the event details from your calendar in a transferable format. Depending on your browser settings, the download may start immediately, or you may be asked where you want to save the file. If needed, take a quick note of the folder where it's being downloaded so it's easy to find in the next step. After the export finishes, open Google Sheets in Chrome. Once you're inside Sheets, go to the File menu and select Import. This opens the import window where you can bring external data into a spreadsheet. If Google Sheets opens to a blank sheet first, that's perfectly fine. You can still access the import option from the top menu. Now upload your calendar file, then click Import Data to populate the sheet. At this point, Google Sheets will process the file and place the available calendar information into rows and columns. Depending on the contents of the calendar file, the imported layout may require a little cleanup afterward, but the important part is that your data is now inside a spreadsheet and ready to be reviewed. As a helpful tip, after the import is complete, scan the sheet to make sure dates, event names, and times appear as expected. If anything looks out of place, it may just need a formatting adjustment inside Sheets. From there, you can sort, filter, or reorganize the information however you like. That's it. You've successfully exported your Google Calendar and imported it into Google Sheets.